Come this way, come this way.
Early start today. It's day one of the Giang loop. I've decided I'm going to give you guys a real authentic run through of this, real honest reviews, show you all the bits in between. I see everybody else just showing the beautiful mountains. We get it, but I'm going to show you a real backpacker experience, positives and negatives. Also some tips for any of you looking to do this trip yourself. So firstly, we started off with an induction in the morning. As you can see, there's probably about 100 odd people in our group total, which then gets split down into smaller groups for when you're actually driving. And then of course you just link up the hostels and stuff over the course of the trip. And here's after collecting our bikes and having a little bit of a practice on those, we then set off for our first day, 100 kilometers total, stopping every sort of 20 kilometers.
And this one, what do you call this one?
Núi Đôi Cô Tiên. How do you say English name?
Boobies.
Boobies.
Yeah, that's right.
There was actually a cave that everyone went to, but I was feeling a bit rough from the previous night. I had a few drinks with the local lads, so I decided just to sleep on the floor in a room with 20 other Vietnamese people. That was a fun experience. Okay, next hostel is... That's my bed, number 11. It's a bit dead, and we've been split off from all our friends as well. All our friends are staying in another homestay up the road. So negative for that one. What are you thinking?
Well, I think 11 and 12 will get a good cuddle.
Is that us?
Yeah. I definitely am gonna be big spoon.
This guy's a snorer. I know you're a snorer, Brian.
I am definitely not.
Shit.
Someone here definitely will be though.
Yeah. So the common area was really good. This wasn't really my scene, to be honest, but everyone was enjoying themselves, so it was a good night. Hello everybody. Today I found something amazing. The most beautiful lady in all of Asia. Look at her. Hey, handsome man, huh? The guy said we can do some activities with the children here. Let's see what's going on. You're just immature. That's childish, really childish. Hello brother, how are you? Nice. Where are the kiddies at then? Well, she's not getting much attention. What did you give? How much?
I'll buy some of the Cambodian money off
Can
you.
I have one flower? Oh? Really? This one. Thank you. I give already. You little. That's interesting. Meow's just saying it's bad if you give them too much money because they just end up, they don't need to go to school. They just do this forever. It's all good when you're young and cute, but... Oh, look at this. Is this okay, girls, I film?
Yeah, that's
Thank you. What are we getting done here, ladies?
We're getting a little braid, I think.
A little bit of braids?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's got full creative control.
Yeah, just let them go with it. How much are you paying? What's the price?
You know. Yeah, well, I don't know.
Free.
We're going to debate this.
Let's do a run-up. Not looking bad, girls.
Looking good?
Looking real good.
Palace.
Yeah. What else?
Guys, I'm Jess. This is the palace. Come this way. Come this way. Let's go. Be respectful now.
Can you give us some information about the palace?
So this lovely palace was built in 1975.
75.
It's like 40 years old.
This looks like a little like arena thing where people would fight. Jake was just telling me this is where the Hmong people used to live, and Hmong people look really different to Vietnamese and apparently a bit inbred. I don't know if that's offensive, but because they're all up in the mountains together, very small
There's such
tribe.
a close border to China as well, so it looks slightly different. Because they just basically kept their blood line pure because they don't go anywhere else.
Right, you get the idea at this point. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, more. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. Sit down. Yes, my guy.
Like badminton. Yay!
This is pretty to be honest, but that's China, everybody. That's what we got.
6 months ago, we can go very close border, and you can put your leg come to China.
Really?
Yes, but not anymore now.
drive through it.
You can like see the military there and give them a finger from Vietnam. It's so funny. I had such a wholesome moment yesterday. There was a little kid, maybe 6 years old, 6 or 7, just walking home from school with his backpack, and I waved at him, and he went like he looked so happy and content. And again today, I tried to recreate that moment. Saw a little kid walking. I went like that to him. He went. So yeah, we get a lot of love around here. They really like us, most of them. But obviously some not fans. We've got a big tower up here that some girls have got up to. I don't think I'm gonna bother, to be honest. Those steps were hard enough. The girls were just saying, one of the girl who was plaiting the hair with the baby had 6 fingers. So that backs up the inbred point. You said it. Oh my god.
Are you scared?
Going a bit fast, but this is absolutely beautiful. Look at all these idiots. I have to walk. I've got an injury with my feet. I've had to go to hospital and stuff, so... Oh, you guys walking? That's beautiful. I really enjoyed that, as you can see. Yeah, guys, I'll be honest with you. I was doing too many NOS balloons in Vietnam. I wasn't even doing a lot. But I didn't realise it, like, it can paralyse your legs and arms. So my legs weren't working for like 3 days. So don't do NOS balloons in Vietnam. Don't do too many. Be responsible. You think they're harmless, but they can actually you. But at least I get private taxis. They're kind of good. Oh.
Away, you can see Charlie border over there.
China, yeah?
Yeah, Charlie.
Oh.
From Vietnam.
Oh, you guys walking? Good man. What's your name?
Giang.
Giang. Thank you, Giang.
What's your name?
Sam.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
From?
Guys, when you come here, pretend you are hurt. He's gonna drive you. I'm from England.
I'm Homestay picture.
Oh, wow. What's your name, ladies?
My name is Sun.
Sun?
Yeah, me.
Ami. Everybody get your drinks. We got beer,
happy
water,
beer.
happy beer,
Happy
Sprite,
beer.
Coke, Red Bull, everything. Come to these ladies. I'll hook you up. It's cheap or expensive?
Cheap.
Cheap? You sure?
2020, everything 20.
Everything 20.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you, ladies. Hello. Hey, cutie. Feel like a lot of people would find that quite sad watching the kids work like that. But actually, having spent a few days here, I feel like, hello. Oh, what's he got? Wow. Wow. But actually, I feel like the kids are pretty content. They're providing for their family at a young age. Like, you don't need education, do you? It's not that important. I feel like we overcomplicate things in the West. Love the simplicity of this place. Just told Giang he's got to go slower now. Driving like a madman. Slowly. 5. Not more than 5. That's 20. Anybody speak English?
He.
Speak English, sir?
A little bit.
What this one?
This one, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
You don't know what this? Good stuff, good stuff. They're nice people to talk, guys, but not very informative. Look, Meow, our leader, he's got a better bike than us. He's going no hands. Look at me, no hands. Whoa. Yeah, that's not good. I'm a one-trick pony, by the way. That's all I got in the locker. I don't drive fast. It's scary for me, but no hands. Do it for days. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here we go. Just a little bit, just slowly. Not taking too much risk. Whoa. Whoa. Fly like a bird. Strong ladies. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. Turns out hostel number 3 is absolutely banging. Got my best mate just here. Double beds. Double beds. Oh, can we see your hat again? Matilda, can we see your hat again? Look at this. Oh, thank you. Hey, it's a nightcap. Yeah. Nice. But yeah, real good. We've got loads of people in this room though. There's like 40 people, I think. Here's the social area. It's huge, this place. It's like a maze.
Want more and more? People just want more and more. Please tell me love.
So this is where we had dinner. They got 2 dinner rooms. Let me show you as well how we entered. They've got such a cool entrance here. Really beautiful. Boat trip today. Early start. It's not a booze cruise. Not a booze cruise. Oh, these ladies are really keen today. I feel bad, they're not getting many customers, it seems. Hello! Everybody wave! It's early morning, as you can tell by these faces. Hungover. It's buffalo, right? Yeah. Yes, one please. Oh, my man. Yeah, trying some buffalo.
1, 2, 3, zo.
1, 2, 3, zo.
2, 3, zo.
2, 3, zo.
2, 3, oor.
2, 3, oor. I tried to learn that before, but that's hard work, isn't it?
Yeah, you need to learn and say cheers with your friend.
Very hard, yeah, but very hard to learn. Not easy like cheers. And what's this one? Spice?
From me get, I took guess about.
Oh, fucking.
No, don't worry.
Really?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Nah, it's like biltong.
Yeah,
Beef
even
jerky's got sugar.
Right, okay. It's the healthier version.
Yeah.
Good.
Pure protein.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah, it is.
Let's give it a go.
Bit spicy.
Chewy.
Mmm.
The Dutch invented it when they went to South Africa, travelling South Africa on hunting
It's
trips. They
huge
bring
in
it.
South Africa, isn't it? With buffalo.
Yeah, with
Don't
buffalo.
ever touch my camera again.
Can't afford
No.
that.
So why is it here? Is it, in South Africa, is it buffalo or cow?
No, it's cow, but it's like they take it on like hunting trips and stuff like that. When you're away from home, you take that because you can just bite a little bit off. It's protein, isn't it?
Mmm. Want to buy it, Tom? Bite it, bro. Don't be a because we're eating buffalo. It's my first time eating buffalo. What,
Lovely.
out of 10, boys.
9.3.
Yeah, bro. I was thinking exactly the same thing.
8 and 8. And
Eight.
a little bit spicy.
A little bit spicy.
What is one? Buffalo? Buffalo? Moo. Moo. This one,
Bây giờ phải đá thật này. Giờ mới đá thật. Đá thật là rơi này. Lâu đi.
Oi. Yeah, we got a gamer squad just over here.
Yeah, it's fun.
League of Legends. Your team?
No.
Here's our final homestay of the trip. This place looks really nice. What a location as well. Looks the best of all 3 so far. Haven't seen the rooms yet. And we got chickens. You okay? Good. It's beautiful. Is your home? Your home? Ah, your home, really? Nice. What's your name?
My name Ann.
Ah.
Ann.
Ann.
Nice to
Sam.
meet
Bazi.
Bazi. Nice to meet you. This is beautiful. This is jackpot, isn't it? What's your initial thoughts?
Lovely so far, Sam. I can't even fault it.
Yeah.
Views incredible.
Yes. Ah, what time stop drink?
12.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that coffee in my mouth is so good.
Oh, really, Sam?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sam. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay, Sam, let's go. We love Sam. We love Sam.
Just wrapping up the tour with, I think, the best sleeper bus we've had in a long time. Look at that. Plasma TV.
Got a TV.
Can you show us the features, Jake? You can go up and down.
See my head going up? That's the chair doing that.
That's the chair.
And down. And my legs can go up. And down. I have a massage button. I'm going to save that for a little bit later. I think I'm going to treat myself a few hours in.